Did you also miss your income tax return filing deadline? Then here's what you can do. Taxpayers who have missed the due date will still be able to file their ITR. An ITR filed after the due date is called a belated return. So there are two significant dates for ITR filing, the due date and the last date. The due date for taxpayers had been extended to December 31st, 2021, but the last date is still March 31st, 2022. If individuals miss the upcoming due date to file ITR, they can still file it by the last date, that is March 31st, 2022. However, filing ITR past the due date comes with certain issues. Penalties for filing ITR past the due date. Well, there is a catch for those who file ITR after the due date. They will not be able to carry forward any losses for the current year and cannot be set off against the current year's income. Therefore, any loss incurred under the business income or capital gains or loss beyond rupees 2 lakhs under the house property head cannot be carried forward to the subsequent year. Further, taxpayers may not get the benefit of interest if they are entitled to get a refund for the excess taxes paid for the period of delay. People who fail to file their taxes by the due date will have to mandatorily pay a fee of rupees 5,000 at the time of filing ITR, in case the taxable income is more than rupees 5 lakhs. The late fee will be rupees 1,000 if the taxable income is below rupees 5 lakhs. So what happens if you fail to file ITR by the last date? If an individual fails to file ITR by the extended due date, the income tax department can even charge a minimum penalty that equals 50% of the tax which would have been avoided by not filing ITR. Moreover, you might be punished too. The present income tax laws prescribe a minimum sentence of 3 years of imprisonment and a maximum of 7 years in case the amount of tax sought to be avoided exceeds rupees 10,000. So don't delay filing your ITR on time to avoid any chaos. For more such informational videos, keep watching Newsmo.